Hi guys, what's up? It's Joel Pitt here, back with another video, and in this video I'll be doing something very different. This was suggested by one of my friends. Now, as you can see, yes, this is an iron, as you've recognised, and this right here is an ironing board, yeah. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to iron. Yes, I know it sounds funny and daft, but this is actually a very good skill in life, you know, because there are a few people out there that 20 odd that don't know how to iron, and well, it's just I don't know why that is, but you know, it's a good skill to have. But you know, so I'm going to be doing different articles of clothing. I'm going to do a shirt, not this one of course because I'm wearing it, but another one, some pants and a t-shirt, because each requires a different ironing. Oh, sorry about that, that's just the noise of the iron like heating up, whatever. So yeah, each requires a different way of ironing it, so I'm going to show you. My face might not be in that much because I'll be like this, you know, ironing. So yeah, I am going to start off with the t-shirt. So what you would do, you'd put the end, so where there's a hole in it. If that makes a noise, I'm sorry about that. So yeah, you want to put it all over the ironing board like this, and the iron. I've got one where it doesn't stain, but normal irons do stain, so you have to be careful because they can leave black marks. And then you just press, lightly press on here, because this is like some. It's not like the cotton's silk or something, I don't know. So yeah, don't press too much on that, and of course you're getting the wrinkles out of it. Then you just move it up like this, do this part, and you're always making sure you go into the grooves as well. So you go along the seams, as you call them. You're going to hear a lot of that buzzing noise there, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah, just keep moving it up and all. So yeah, with this one you put the big end over the ironing board, and then you just keep moving it along, and then once you've got back to your starting position, which is here, I'm nearly there, just one final touch, you're going to take it off, and you're going to do the sleeves. So you get the sleeve onto the end, if you can see right there, and there, make sure the creases are out. Same again with the other sleeve. Yeah, and just get a hanger and just hang this up over there. So that is the t-shirt. Next we're going to move on to the next. Actually no, we'll leave the shirt till last. We'll do the pants. This is a little bit easier as well. So what you're going to do, get the whole leg onto the board like so, and just reposition the camera. There we go. So you're gonna go through like this. Sorry about the noise as well, if you can't hear me as well. And of course it is going to be a bit, you know, steamy as well, as you can see, of course. Oh yeah, also be careful. Don't leave the iron on after using it. Don't leave it unattended while on. Make sure you don't touch the iron. I know it may seem stupid, but a few people just think, ooh, it's not that hot, but it's hot. It's hot. Don't touch the iron. You know, I don't want anyone burning themselves. I don't want any scars or anything. So yeah, then you get the pockets, iron them, and then along where the belt goes, iron that. There we go. just keeps moving the camera, so sorry about that. And we're gonna get one for this. That's good. Now, this next one might be a bit of a challenge, but I am still going to show you. I've just got to reposition. Hopefully that stays up. So, the shirt. What you want to do first is you want to get the collar. So you put this on the ironing board like this, and you're going to go over with the iron. That's done. That's for the collar. Next, sleeves. Do the sleeves. These are longer. I do, you know, each shirt can vary. Each can have small sleeves, so it's much easier. Or bigger collars, smaller collars, making it easier or harder. So yeah. Next up, the other sleeve. Same again, turn it around. Sorry, camera just keeps going haywire. There we go. Okay, so that's the sleeves done. Next, you want to start on the button. No, wait, sorry. I'm getting mixed up. You want to start on the non-button side. So you're going to put this as much as you can on the iron, but then you want to get the button, you know, the non-button side. Right. Iron through, then move that up a bit. Then move that up again. Now some shirts have like a little back thing. It's like so with my some of my shirts. So basically here there'll be like a big thing, and then that's so this iron would go through that, not like over it. It'll be going to the left or right of it. So let's say it was. Wait a second. So if it was like here, you'd be basically going round that, not through it. So yeah, just keep going like this. Move it up. Move it up again. And then the final part, you want to go in between the buttons, like so. Get in the grooves and hang that up. So yes, that is it for this video. Oh, one more thing. Turn off the iron, turn it off by the plug, take out the plug. Job is a good one. So, that is all for this video on how to iron. I might do more videos like this, and also I did like a recording yesterday, but I'm probably going to upload today or later on. It's about comparing two cars, my old car and my newest car, so stay tuned for that. That might be up today or not, I'm not too sure. But anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to make sure you're notified when my next video comes out. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.